So, this is, I guess you could say, another vlog type video. I have this little speaker, Samsung speaker that I picked up from a thrift store that doesn't have, well, it needs an amp, apparently. So, bought this $2-3 chip. Just needs a little bit of simple soldering. But I'm hoping that I can get this set up so I can play music and, have fun with it. It's basically just this very low-powered speaker for one of my monitors. I'm going to set it up so that my cat can chill and watch cat TV, and there actually will be audio output. I can't explain all of it, but it's I like doing things the hard way. I've been practicing sewing, so I thought I would be at least decent at it, but anyways, I have one terminal soldered and I need to get the other one, but I need some solder. And my soldering technique is probably terrible, but it is all I know, and I am living to learn. It really wasn't that bad. Pretty simple, actually. I'm lazy today. I have tested it and it is now working flawlessly. There's only a very tiny little hum now. So I guess crossing the ground and signal wires and then removing the right channel, since I'm not using it, was the right choice. So yeah, pretty cool.